Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change email on Coinbase. So to change your email on Coinbase, here's the step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's get started. So to change your email on Coinbase, you have to open your Coinbase app and log into your password, email, and if you're on the desktop version, just go to coinbase.com. Then you can also log in with your email and password. Then after that, go to your settings, then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner for the app. Then for the website, click on your profile icon, which is for the website, then select settings from the menu. Then after that, in the settings, go to the profile or security section, then find the email address option, then click on the change email or edit email. Then Coinbase will send a verification code to your current email address. Then check the current email inbox for the verification code, then enter the code in the provided field on the Coinbase to confirm your identity. Then after that, put in your new email address and confirm it. Then a verification will be sent to the new email address. Check the inbox of the new email address and click the verification link. Then log into your Coinbase using your new email address to ensure the change is successful. Then if you just two-step verification, make sure it's updated with your new email address so you don't have any problem when you really want to perform your two-step verification. And that's the simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply change email on Coinbase. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.